And bicycle traffic, helicopter Golf Mike Echo Kilo showing approximately 5 miles back to the northwest, 4,300 feet. And we're southeastbound, we pass you 1 mile north of the field complex. Bicycle helicopter Golf Mike Echo Kilo on 23-2.
Old Tisbury traffic, Kilo Zulu, downwind, left for runway 10, touch 28, touch and go.
South of the airport, 8,500 and westbound to Cook and Lake. That's Vegreville traffic, RV Echo Golf Tango 26-7.
Old Tisbury traffic, Kilo Zulu, left hand downwind, runway 28, touch and go.
So you need to get a little prepared here by, you know you're going to be flying this at 5,000. So you can look at here, okay, well 5,000, it's going to be somewhere between 5 and 6 miles is where you're going to hit the constant descent angle. Does that make sense?
Right.
Because if you're at 5 miles, you're going to say at 5 miles, you'll be at 4870.
Right.
So if we're going to be at 5,000, you'll be somewhere between 5 and 6 miles. That's when you'll hit the constant descent angle. So if you want to get really fussy, it's probably going to be, so without actually doing the math, I would start my descent just under 6 miles.
Right.
Because you won't get any kind of glide path indication here.
No.
So you're just going to have to do it. So if you're, like you say, grounding at about 100 knots, so that's 530 feet per minute. Are you that good? So I would say just under 6 miles, start your descent, just a hair over 500 feet per minute,
right,
and you'll do fine.
Okay.
And that's 6 miles from the runway, so which is, it'll be I'd say like 0.8 from Vival is when you start your descent.
Okay. 0.8 inbound from Vival.
Downwind for runway 28.
Oh, outside.
Coastal area traffic.
Because the way they draw these charts is this mileage along the top sort of corresponds with relative to where you are along the approach. So you know that at 5 miles, I'm going to be just outside of Vival. Well, I'm going to start my descent at 6 miles, just under 6 miles, so you know you're going to be outside of Vival.
Yeah, okay.
So it'd be showing probably about 0.8 to Vival.
Right.
Start your descent, you'll go past Vival, and then it'll give you your mileage right to the runway.
Okay.
Tune in the Rocky VOR, see if that picks it. Go to 114.3 on the VOR. That's it.
Yeah.
Yep.
You hand flying it, Claude?
Kind of. This thing doesn't. It's connected. It's on the CDI, so I don't really have to do anything for steering. But I still have. I don't have the vertical guidance.
Okay.
So I don't have altitude hold or none like that. So.
Cooking Lake area traffic, Cessna 205, Delta Alpha Mike. We're 7 miles to the southwest and inbound for landing. Cooking Lake.
Rocky Mountain has automatic observations. 853 Zulu. Wind variable 230 at 09. Temperature 21 Celsius. 2 points. 12 Celsius. Altimeter 2987. Marks. Density altitude 4700.
That's probably the town of Rocky right there.
Rocky Mountain traffic, it's Mooney, Foxtrot, Yankee Hotel X-ray is About 17 miles to the southeast at 5,400 on a simulated the RNAV approach inbound for Ohlone, the waypoint, about 5,400.
So, since you're at 5,500, it's going to be 7 miles. We're going to hit your constant descent angle.
Right.
Which is 2 miles from the Volvi.
Okay.
Or Vivol, is what it's called. So there you go, start up a descent about 500 feet per minute down. And that'll keep you, so the only thing you're looking for is as long as you are above 4,000 feet going by Vivol,
yeah,
you're safe. If you're on the glide path, you should be around 4880 as you go past Vivol.
All right.
As long as you don't bust 4,000 going by Vivol, you'll be safe.
Right. Rocky Mount House, it's Mooney Foxtrot Yankee Taxway is at 5,000 feet, 5 miles. On the final for the field on a simulated RNAV approach.
Yeah, so you go by Vivol, you're at 4880, so pretty much bang on.
Cool.
So now you would take this all the way down to 3620.
Right.
And if you don't see runway at 3620, you should leave.
Yeah. Full power and put the gear back in and away you go. Oh, the wheels out.
And the flight attendant didn't even pass drinks to the guests. What kind of flight is this, Claude?
Oh, it's a super economy class you're sitting in right now. So
Ultra super economy.
You're lucky there's not chickens back there.
You're lucky there's a seat belt.
There's a seat belt? I was using this rope.
Tying a bunch of jackets together.
Yeah.
Rocky Mountain House, it's Mooney Foxtrot Yankee with Oxley's 3 mile final for landing runway 31 Rocky Mountain. That makes sense? We're still on, looking pretty good?
Yeah, well, you're fine. As long as that needle's in the middle, holding about 500 feet per minute.
And I'm approaching my, my decision altitude.
That's right.
So 91 knots. A little faster, just
100 feet above your decision altitude. And if you were to break out a cloud right about now, there's a runway.
And we got the gears are out. All right, so.
We had a great visit and pretty much lost track of time. Fortunately, someone was keeping an eye out for the weather. Thunderstorms coming in.
Yeah, I don't know. Al must have been keeping an eye out because I didn't know, and then he says, "Well, go come have a look." And then we were just looking at that out the door, and I looked at the radar. So there's this one, and then there's that one, but it's clear over Old Zisbury. Yeah. This is much farther west.
Yeah.
So
stay out front of it.
Yeah, I think we'll just do a normal VFR approach, and never mind with these two storms
I'll hold in the bay here. You can go first if you want.
Okay, you're gonna give me some lead time, and then come do donuts around me, right?
Okay.
Upside down.
That's it. Yeah, do it upside down. That'd be fun to watch.
Just like on Top Gun.
Rocky Mountain House traffic, it's Mooney, Foxtrot, Yankee Talk, so he's rolling for takeoff from runway 31, eastbound departure to Old Zisbury.
And Rocky Mountain House traffic, Foxtrot Alpha Charlie, taxiing to position 31.
I think we'll go right.
And Rocky traffic, Foxtrot Alpha Charlie, departing 31.
Oh, that was fun.
Yeah.
Rocky traffic, Foxtrot Alpha Charlie, Alpha 3 round, right hand turn out.
Just lifted.
Yeah,
he's right behind the seas. He's probably going to come on your left.
He's got a few extra knots on you.
Just a bit.
Yeah. Is he about to pass me?
Well, he was already airborne and turning to the right when he called out.
He's got tons of power on this thing.
Right at your 6 o'clock, going on the left side. He's on your 6, Claude.
What is he?
Ooh, there's some lightning over there.
He's probably 1,000 feet above me already. Yeah, that thing by himself, this would be a rocket.
Yeah.
It lives up to its name?
Yeah.
That was a great time.
Yeah, that was fun. Got the information I wanted, and
that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's got a lot of experience, doesn't he?
There he is to your left. There's your left.
There he goes.
Oh, wait for me.
He makes that look easy.
Are you going to apply power soon?
Yeah. Right. Oops.
We're ahead at 4,500 feet en route to Cooking Lake. Careful traffic.
Nice.
Nice. Just did a roll.
No way.
Yeah.
I could see it.
Your turn.
You're going to have to wait for the Lancer for that.
Yeah, you can see that other cell you're talking about down there.
Yeah. Yeah, looking at the radar, they weren't they're not an issue for us going into Olds, but didn't want to wait too much longer.
Yeah.
Rocky Mountain, I was just Mooney, Foxtrot, Yankee Box, was cleared to east of 4,500.
How do I get the plate back, do you know? Like I went to hide plate. Do you know how to get it back?
The plate on the airport?
Yeah, what
You click on the airport itself and it'll say show plate or something like that.
Oh, okay.
From the airport's page, tap the map button next to the desired approach. Oh, it's under procedures.
Oh, okay.
You see it? Or from the route editor. Remember that editor we were talking about yesterday?
Yeah. Yep. Okay.
From the route editor, you can bring it up. Are you good, or are you?
Yep, got it.
Got it? Look at that, man. Geek in the back, researching. Wow.
This is a total crew environment.
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm like the flight engineer now. That's what I've always wanted to be.
Can I get a cup of coffee while you're back there?
No, sorry. The airline here on the left did pack the plane with beverages.
See you next time on HUD Pilots. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, like and subscribe.